Hello pet lovers, today we're excited to introduce the ROODO Dog Stroller, a versatile and lightweight three-wheel pet stroller designed for small dogs and cats up to 30 pounds. This innovative stroller features a tool-free installation with quick-release wheels, making setup a breeze for any pet owner. The fully supported seat ensures a stable and safe ride, while the multi-directional breathable nets provide fresh air and protection from insects. With its easy fold design, this stroller is compact enough to fit in your car trunk, making it perfect for walking, jogging, or traveling with your furry friend. Plus, the convenient storage basket lets you carry all your essentials with ease. Whether you're heading to the park or exploring new trails, the ROODO Dog Stroller is your go-to solution for outdoor adventures with your pet. Don't miss out on the chance to enhance your pet's outdoor experience with this fantastic stroller. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.